Teachers, meet PBS LearningMedia, a free, trusted platform filled with thousands of videos, interactive lessons, and resources that bring learning to life. From math and science to history, the arts, and professional development, every resource is curriculum-aligned, standards-based, and created to inspire curiosity. Educators get easy-to-use tools that fit right into their lesson plans. Students dive into engaging real-world content, and families have powerful resources for at-home learning. PBS LearningMedia combines the trusted name of PBS with the innovation of today's classrooms. It's where learning meets inspiration. Resources are easily shared through Google Classroom and are compatible across learning management systems. Here's how to log into PBS LearningMedia. Go to the website ny.pbslearningmedia.org. Click Sign In at the top right corner of the page. You'll then choose your login method. PBS respects your students' privacy. Students are never required to share any personal information. Once you're signed in, you will see all the subject and grade levels that are at your fingertips. For instance, if you are looking for a social studies topic and you want to go to geography, click on the geography icon. Another way that you can search is by grade level. You will see in the drop-down menu that you can go from pre-K to 12th grade. Select a grade level and you will see different resources pop up from there. You can also pick your subject area or your resource type. In addition to offering high-quality national content, WSKG develops its own educational resources, including a series of science excursion labs that explore a wide range of STEAM topics. We also provide lesson plans connected to our locally produced documentaries, giving educators unique ways to tie regional stories and history into the classroom. PBS LearningMedia doesn't have to only be used in the classroom. It can also be used at home. Educators have the ability to share a link to the lesson plan to Google Classroom. If you use a different educational platform, you are also able to share a link with students. You can save lesson plans you love by clicking the heart icon, making it easy to keep track of your favorite resources. A reminder that many lessons are also available in Spanish. Many people think that learning media is just for students, but it's for educators too. Under Subject Area, you will see the Professional Development tab. There is a wide range of professional development opportunities for you to work on asynchronously in your free time. This will help your classroom in many different ways, including effective instruction techniques or assessment evaluation. If you found this tutorial useful, WSKG Education invites you to sign up for our newsletter, Chalk Talk. This newsletter highlights PBS LearningMedia, other classroom learning tools, and local education resources and events. Sign up at wskg.org/chalktalk.